Today is November 7th. I am Vicky.
And I'm Rintaro.
And this is Simon Says. Our walk turned out very well. The weather is really nice and the people are talking, engaged with each other. But Rintaro is our former student. Why do you join us, Rintaro?
Because I finished the midterm today and I wanna enjoy the weather. The weather is so nice. And I love SEC activities so much.
Yay!
Our first conversation club was a huge success. We packed the room, including our 2 afternoon classes. Thank you for having conversations about how to be more engaged, more successful, more effective this term. You also did a great job playing bingo, and I know you enjoyed the hot chocolate with marshmallows. Welcome to week 2. Are you listening carefully? I did make a listening quiz to go with this video, so maybe your instructor will give it to you. If not, it will be available later on our SEC website. Now, last week, I asked you to tell me the name of this mural and the building it's on. Ready for the answers? The name is West and North, and the name of the building is Education North. Now, some of you got tripped up because you thought I was asking for the name of the person who made the mural. Nope, no prize winners. But I'll tell you a little bit about the artist today. So this mural was painted by Norman Yates. He is a retired U of A professor, also a painter, and he was a World War II veteran. So he fought for Canada in World War II. Now this is important because this Friday is Remembrance Day. So on November 11th, I will be wearing a poppy to show that I remember. So for week 2, our theme is strategies for success. Now, what is a strategy? A strategy is something that you think about and plan to do to get you further ahead. So sometimes you have a strategy in a board game to be the winner, or a strategy in a sports activity to win the game or be best in the event. But we also have language learning strategies to help us get better at listening, reading, writing, and speaking. On Monday, we will be noticing our errors. So how to learn from our mistakes. On Tuesday, we will be using listening strategies. So how to improve your listening. And I've got a list of listening strategies here. One that Vicky and I use all the time is number 6. I ask the speaker to slow down, repeat, or clarify if I do not understand. Several times a day, Vicky says to me, Shona, what? I didn't understand. Or I say to her, sorry, Vicky, I wasn't listening. Can you say it again? On Wednesday, we will be writing reflections. So I'm going to show you how to get a better grade in education. That might be helpful for your SEC grade if your teacher is using reflections. On Thursday, we will be talking about planning for your future, how to pay attention and plan for success. Now, these workshops are all for the morning students who are able to come at 1. If you're a morning student who can't come in the afternoon for a workshop, you can always do the SEC online lesson. Now, if you're an afternoon student, I will be running a special workshop for you on Wednesday from 11 till 12.
Hi guys, we are now at the Rogers place to cheer up for the Oilers! Oilers!
We are huge fans of Oilers!
Yay! If you want to have a game night, check out the Oilers website and let's go Oilers!
Let's go!